In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in on Asana in just 5 minutes. Whether you're trying to get a closer look at project details or simply want to adjust your view for better readability, knowing how to control the zoom on your Asana interface can be a game changer for productivity. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Asana's login page. Open your preferred web browser and head over to Asana by typing in the URL or clicking on any saved bookmark you might have. Once there, you'll be greeted by the Asana login page. To get started, enter your email address into the designated field. This is the email associated with your Asana account, and it ensures you're going to the right workspace. After entering your email, go ahead and click on the Continue button. This will prompt you to enter your password. Type it into the password field carefully, ensuring there are no typos as Asana is case sensitive. Hit Login to proceed. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Asana homepage. From here you can access all of your projects, tasks and teams, but today we're focusing on how to adjust your view using zoom controls. To zoom in on Asana using your keyboard and mouse, hold down the Control key on your keyboard. While holding this key, move your mouse's scroll wheel upwards. This action will zoom in the screen, allowing all elements to appear larger. It's a fantastic way to make text and icons more visible. Conversely, if you want to zoom out, keep holding the Control key and scroll your mouse wheel downwards. This will reduce the screen element's size and help you view more of your dashboard without scrolling horizontally or vertically too much. Alternatively, you can use keyboard shortcuts for zooming. For zooming in, press Ctrl alongside the plus sign key. This instantly magnifies your view, perfect when you need a closer inspection of project details. To zoom out, hit Ctrl and the minus sign key. It's just as quick and provides an effective way to back up and see the big picture when managing multiple tasks. These zoom functions work across most web applications and not just Asana, so they're great to keep in mind for general web browsing. Remember, these tips can be essential when you're working on a high-resolution display where text might appear smaller than you'd like. And that's it, you've learned how to quickly and effectively manage zoom settings in Asana. Give it a try, and you'll notice how it can enhance your workflow and ease eye strain during longer sessions.